quickest way to a man's heart?
Through his stomach?
Nope, by using a dagger. Good guess, though.
Oh my gosh, yes, he's so sick. Stacey, this girl coming out my TV, which means we can go in the TV. Bradley Cooper, here I... Oh,
My water just broke! Going to the hospital! Where's your baby? Shit!
4 eyes. There's laser eye surgery.
Later. Hey, dude.
Dance!
Who's that Pokemon?
It's Pikachu!
It's Blueberry!
Fuck!
Now, if you want to go, make sure you're prepared and raise your hand, but do so in a way that does not mock heinous salutes of my country's past. Germany recognizes its friend Italy.